let's talk about related products. And I've used the word related to encompass actually 3 different categories of product collections here on the in Magento. So take a look here. We have our hoodie. We scroll down on this page and we see there is related products and there is what's called upsell products. Now we can pop one of these in the cart, which I've already done. Go over here and we see more choices. So related products, the related products upsell, and these are called cross-sell. So what is what? Especially confusing when we are here in the admin area. I've selected this Marco Lightweight Active Hoodie, and we see all 3 of these different options here: related products, upsell, and cross-sell. And to make things even worse, there are no upsell products here. And I can go right here, and I can see upsell products here. So what the heck is going on here? Well, let's break it down. And through the course of these next few videos, you're going to come away with a really good understanding as far as what do all these do. If you are watching these videos, you're probably utilizing Adobe Commerce. Fantastic, it's a great platform. But here's the thing. You might be frustrated with how much you're spending every month on your development budget. But we can change this. If you are interested or open to starting up your internal development team, let's have a conversation. Part of what we do is talent acquisition. We have a wonderful roster of very talented developers that we can place and get started on your team as quickly as possible. It saves money in development, but also then we will help back this developer or this team up. If you need resource augmentation, if you need training, if you need just consultation, conversations, advice, feedback, we run an internal development team ourselves. We are excited to be able to help you start such a team yourself. Let's chat. Now, the background I'd like to give here is related products or these other lists of products are incredibly valuable. Why? Well, like I talked about previously, Google sends a lot of people to category pages, which is a list of products. But there's a lot of times that the searcher is sent to a product page. Now, what if I land on this page here and I see that it's not what I wanted? Like I don't see my color here, or I wanted it to be a little heavier weight or something. Well, my initial thought would be just I'm clicking back. But what if these products were presented a little nicer format and were a little higher up on the page? So instead of just saying, oh, I can't get, I don't see any other matches. Instead, what I see is, oh, here are some other products that might be as interesting or more interesting given my search criteria. It's a way to continue that customer journey once they're already on your website. And again, I don't think it's ideal to have these stuffed at the bottom of the page here. We need to pull them up and integrate them more into this area up here. The UX designer, we have a really, really good one. I see the output that happens from a really good UX designer can make a world of difference in communicating these other choices to a customer. So given that framework, what can we learn about this? Well, the first thing is, as I put in the documentation, related products, again, they're similar to the product that's ordered. These are different options. They usually support or they can support the product that is being ordered. So in this case, we see some unique products here, and these are all configurable, so you cannot add them to the cart as is. But these are not configurable, so you could literally click, I want these 2, and then you click add to cart. Again, this should be much higher up on the page. Upsells, though, are like, okay, we think these are a nicer product. These are a better product. And so you might be actually more interested in one of these. It's you're interested in this one instead. And that's, again, these are very valuable to have on the page, again, to drop that bounce rate to keep people interested in what you have to sell there. So then finally, the cross-sell, C, cross-sell, C, let's see, how does that go? Is that a C? Yeah, there's something like that. There you go. A C for cross-sell and cart. Think about those matching up, and that should be a little more clear. Upsell and related are on the product page. Cross-sell, cart. I have a 7-year-old who's doing very well with her reading, and so we still have the C says K in. Oh, I don't even remember what that word was that she uses. I don't know, pick a name, Chris. C says and Chris. So that might help to stick in your mind just a little bit in that way. So that is what these related products are for. That is what they do. Use them, and we're going to talk about how to effectively use them here coming up in this next video.